Why you need to buy 100 Ape coins now. Hey, and welcome to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we want to let you know that this video is not financial advice and we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, let's head to the video. Have you seen those signature style apes NFTs roaming around the internet? Yeah, those same NFTs that were bought by Justin Bieber, Paris Hilton, and many more. But wait, how different is the Ape Coin from those ape NFTs, and whether they are from the same project or not? If you've been following the crypto market, then perhaps you already know what fire Ape Coin has created in just a single week. It has just skyrocketed its price within no time, and in the past 24 hours, its price has gone up by 10.4%, which is unbelievable. But wait, what is Apecoin really, and why is it being hyped in the community at all? Are you wondering about investing in Apecoin since everyone else is? Well, whether you want to invest in it or not, as soon as you finish watching the video, you'll definitely want to play your shot on Apecoin. That's why we find out why you need to buy 100 Apecoins now. If you're uncertain about it and don't know what to do, then don't worry, because we're going to find out everything about Apecoin. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to watch more beneficial videos about the crypto world. Let's get started with what is Apecoin in the first place. Apecoin is an ERC20 token and is working as an autonomous project on Ethereum blockchain. However, Apecoin has ties with more projects than we can think of. That makes it more unique and attractive. Apecoin has links with Bored Ape Yacht Club, which in turn is a project that has collaborated with Yuga Labs that has a large collection of NFTs about every digital asset. Those NFTs include pictures, audios, videos, and music that has made the project quite distinctive in the crypto and NFT world. Besides, Bored Ape Yacht Club has a vast collection of thousands of ape-styled NFTs. All of these ape NFTs earlier created a storm on the internet, and for that reason, we saw different apes NFTs with different costumes and facial expressions. Due to the reason that Apecoin is directly or indirectly involved with projects like Bored Ape Yacht Club and Yuga Labs, it can be called as a native cryptocurrency of these projects. This is the very reason why you're seeing Apecoin getting hyped with each passing day. Many believe that Apecoin can also be used in various crypto games, and for that reason, its value may increase even more. But what are the more solid reasons that support Apecoin's such marvelous growth? Well, within a week of its launch, Apecoin has appeared as one of the fastest growing cryptocurrencies in the market. According to CoinMarketCap, it's ranked at number 45 among thousands of other cryptocurrencies, with a remarkable market cap of roughly $3 billion. One of the reasons why Apecoin is experiencing such a growth due to its DAO mechanism. DAO actually means Decentralized Autonomous Organization, where the project is not under the leadership of an individual or entity, rather the whole community derives it. In other words, if you hold Apecoins, you can participate in Apecoin's community and get involved in all sorts of decisions being made. Due to this reason, you can now know what's going on and what new things should be added to the network. No matter how big or small your investment is, Apecoin gives you ownership of the project. But that's not the only reason why we're seeing Apecoin achieving milestones. Since Apecoin has ties with Yuga Labs, it's expected that the games launched by Yuga Labs would include Apecoin as the native cryptocurrency, meaning Apecoin would be used as a token inside all sorts of games launched by Yuga Labs that would increase Apecoin's market even further. Since Apecoin will be used to make all kinds of payments in the games and also players would earn rewards in Apecoin, the limited supply will add a benefit and it will increase the overall demand for Apecoin. In other words, the moment any game will be launched by Yuga Labs where Apecoin will be the native cryptocurrency, the price will start to hit the sky within no time. It's the actual utility of Apecoin that's going to give it more push to increase the price further. And since it gets a natural connection with the ape NFTs we're seeing in the market, investors are buying Apecoin to have something of value that is getting its worth from NFTs. Would you miss out on Apecoins when some big celebrities are also investing in it? There isn't any certain news about which celebrities are buying Apecoins, but it's being said by various insiders that some of the gigantic celebrities are taking interest in Apecoin. The situation has gone too far from just taking interest, and many celebrities have bought Apecoins and added them to their wallet. No one knows who told them about Apecoins, but their decision of investing in Apecoins seems quite sound. It's also being said that among Apecoin's major investors, there's a majority of those investors who earlier pushed Dogecoin and Shiba Inu to the sky. If that is the case, which seems to be true, Apecoin will have its price many times higher than what it is today. And here comes the question you were waiting for. Why should you buy 100 Apecoins now? At present, Apecoin is being traded at $11.04, which is a price 10% higher than the price 24 hours ago. Within a single day, Apecoin has increased its price by 10%, which is a clear sign of how investors are putting both their trust and money in Apecoin. Talking about the last 5 days, Apecoin increased its price by 25%, becoming one of the few cryptocurrencies which can grow with such a speed. Even Apecoin went to $18 on the 18th of March, showing how fast but suddenly it can fluctuate its price. Since Apecoin is just launched, we'll see a price fluctuation in its price that will stabilize within a few weeks. However, something that makes Apecoin quite different from all other cryptocurrencies is, besides the fluctuating market, it is stabilizing its price. What's more is it's not letting the price go down, rather the price is making progress like never before. This is where investors may think whether investing in Apecoin will be a good idea or not. Since you already know Apecoin saw $18 this very month, it can go above this price as well, which creates the best condition for you to invest right now. At present, Apecoin is $11, which means it's the right time to invest before it starts to appreciate its price. According to the price predictions, Apecoin has a brighter future lying ahead of it, which it will see this very year. If today you bought about 100 Apecoins for $1,100 and hold them to the end of 2022, they'll be worth $3,000. This may happen if the price reaches up to $30 per coin, which is more than easy for Apecoin. But if we talk about the maximum price Apecoin can gain, then the truth is no one can imagine what remarkable price it can achieve. If the market stays as it is for Apecoin, then within a few months, we may see it being traded at about $40 per coin, which makes your total investment about $4,000. This is a price growth of more than 363% in less than a year. This is the very reason why everyone's investing as much as they can in Apecoin. If this time passes out, the price increase cycle may start and you won't find the best time to invest since the price will already be high. Since the supply has been limited to 1 billion Apecoins, we think buying and holding Apecoin will be the best strategy to pocket a big profit. According to experts, holding Apecoin seems like having something of value, which will increase its worth over time. Isn't that a good sign? Did you know Apecoin could grow at such a pace? Don't be shy. Comment right below in the comment section. Would you want to invest in Apecoin and pocket a huge profit? How much Apecoin are you thinking of buying? Also, take a moment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to watch more amazing videos about the crypto news and updates. Until the next video, stay tuned.